Fatima had never been to this part of the city. It was a world away from her own. Narrow streets, crowded with people. Children played in the dusty lanes. She felt a pang of unease. But she had a purpose. She was here to see Corulain. Fatima found her friend's house. It was small, but welcoming. As she stepped inside, children surrounded her. Assalamu alaikum, they chorused, their voices bright. They were memorizing the Quran. Their innocence touched Fatima. It reminded her of Corulain. She always greeted everyone with a smile and a salam at the university. Fatima felt a wave of guilt wash over her. She was here under false pretenses. She had told her uncle she was visiting a friend. But the truth was far more complicated. Where were you? Chacha Salim's voice was sharp. He was a kind man, but strict. Fatima hesitated. I went to see a friend, she mumbled. She couldn't bring herself to tell him the truth. Not yet. Later, she confided in her cousin Alina. He's just playing with you, Alina insisted. You deserve better. Alina wasn't particularly religious, but she had a strong sense of right and wrong. She respected her parents and their values. She wouldn't let anyone disrespect her. I know, Fatima whispered, her voice choked with unshed tears. But I can't help myself. She felt so lost. Alina put a comforting arm around her. You're stronger than you think, she said gently. Deep down, Fatima knew Alina was right. She was tired of this charade, tired of feeling guilty. Her conscience screamed at her, but still, she couldn't break free. Every day, she found herself drawn back to her phone, to him. His messages were like a drug, sweet poison that filled her with longing. He praised her beauty, her intelligence. His words fueled her desire. She was falling deeper into this abyss of sin. But her conscience was a persistent voice, a constant reminder of her transgression. How could she reconcile her faith with her desires? The struggle was tearing her apart. She knew what was right, what she had been taught. But her heart ached for something more, something she knew was forbidden. Her meeting with Corulain had stirred something deep inside her, a yearning for the peace she saw in those children's eyes, the peace she desperately craved.